spirit broad, enduring, and adaptable. And for the leaf, it symbolizes our unity and resourcefulness. I choose anahaw as my cultural costume, as the anahaw leaf are, as the very essence of the Filipino, graceful, unwavering, and deeply rooted in her heritage. This leaf, known for thriving in diverse and challenging environments, reflects the enduring spirit of our people who rise with courage and optimism. Wearing the anahaw is my terno with its iconic butterfly leaf, is tribute of the beauty of our culture. With every delicate detail, it celebrates the harmony between tradition and modernity. Just as the anahaw stands tall and proud, I carry with me the values of resilience and grace, quality, and defiance of Filipinos. And once again, contestant number 12,
Minor Cheryl Rose Sulaco, Colorado candidate number 12. Thank you, candidate number 12.
Let's set the stage for our candidate number 13. Candidate number